World Economic Forum recently released its Global Gender Gap Report. And here are some key findings. At the current rate of progress, it will take about 132 years to reach full gender parity. Gender parity in the labor force stands at about 63%. Men's share of time spent in unpaid work 19%. Women 55%. Share of women hired into leadership roles has seen a steady increase. However, only select industries are on top. Sectors like energy, manufacturing and infrastructure still have 20% and less. Share of women in parliament globally rose from 17% to 23%. Women continue to be overrepresented in education, health and welfare degree subjects and underrepresented in STEM fields. Reported stress was 4% higher in women than in men. The gap has closed by 68%, but it nowhere compensates for the generational loss that happened in 2020 and 21. Gender gap in the workforce is mainly driven by long-standing structural barriers, socio-economic and technological transformation. More women have been moving into paid work and leadership positions, yet globally, societal expectations, employer policies, legal environment and availability of care have shaped women's choice of education and career growth. Brief on details follow soon. Stay tuned.